Canada ने Kerala बोला Kerala तुमको. Madam has come from UK. Has inspired me to try something. Let's try this recipe. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the first vlog of 2025. It's actually the last day of 2024. We are saying goodbye to the final sunset from the Sarah Squad home in 2024. मैं आप लोगों को पलट के दिखाती हूँ, इतना smog है कि आप लोगों को through the couch तो क्या ही दिखेगा. But yeah, we don't really have any New Year's plan. Reet is home and Sabrina and Ishan are also going to come home. So we just thought we will maybe bake something. I have Shivesh's new cookbook, so I was thinking I'll bake something from that. I'm not much of a baker and neither am I a sweet tooth. But I'm PMSing, so it's a perfect excuse to just cook something, make form some new. ऐसे तो मैं party person भी नहीं हूँ, तो we were never gonna have any New Year party plans. And Amit and Raja gone on this trek. Otherwise, वो लोग होते तो हम ऐसा घर में कुछ plan कर लेते, like Sharon वगैरह सब आ सकते थे. But because Amit and Raja are not there, so I was like, ठीक है, everybody can just have like a silent New Year. And tomorrow I am working because 1st of Jan I always love working. I believe in the theory that अगर 1st को आप काम करो तो पूरे साल आप इंशाल्लाह काम करोगे. ऐसा कुछ अलग नहीं है कि आज sunset and honestly 31st आज है, कल 1st है. It's honestly just like a new month. ये pollution actually काफी better है. The visibility is not that great but it's still better than what it has been this entire week. So I'm kind of grateful for this climate. Also I'm going to keep the window open for some ventilation. And we are building this new thing that we are adding to this wall of the house. You all know how much I love Hello, I thought you were building the map. You all know how much both of us love traveling. So we finally decided to add this on one of the walls over here. मुझे जब से घर का इंटीरियर्स हुआ था ये डालना ही था. This is the world map. I always wanted to get it in one of my rentals only, but कभी मौका ही नहीं मिला. But we finally we've got this and we are thinking we'll put it up today. देखते कहाँ जाएगा ये. Reet has already assembled half the pieces. In pieces के पीछे there's a number and then आपको ये लगाना है. ये मैंने Amazon पे order किया तो I will link it for y'all नीचे if you are a traveler and want to put this on your wall as decor or just put photos of yourself from everywhere you've been in the world. Brazil. ग्रीनलैंड कहाँ है? ग्रीनलैंड इधर नहीं. ऊपर US, Canada, Brazil, Antarctica is this with this.
There are more pieces.
This says 4 के ऊपर. 4 किधर था? ये 4 है I think.
Yeah, 4 is this.
ये 6 है. ये भी 4 का पार्ट है US का. ये भी 4 का पार्ट है.
China is already here.
पहले चाइना चिपका हो जाए.
नहीं first जो
So fun finally we're doing this. जल्दी आ देख तो देख दुनिया का नक्शा अपने घर पे. सत्यम कैसा लग रहा है? अच्छा लग रहा है ना. I love it guys. बहुत ही मस्त लग रहा है. मतलब इससे बेटर पीस ऑफ आर्ट इधर के लिए हो ही नहीं सकता था. बिकॉज मैं इतने टाइम तक कंफ्यूज थी कि इधर क्या करे. एंड देन व्हेन आई सॉ दिस ऑन Amazon I got the smallest size and we finally fit it here. Such a motivation to travel the world. दुनिया कितनी बड़ी है ये बनाते समय. I was like wow. I have literally only traveled mainly in these areas like Turkey and this France, Spain. इटली नहीं गई हूँ मैं. बस यही एरिया लाइक यूरोप ही गई हूँ यार मैं. और पूरी दुनिया देखो कितनी ज्यादा बड़ी है. अफ्रीका तो कितना बड़ा है. I have to see all of this. इसमें भी I've been to only a small part. Hawaii, look at Hawaii, छोटू सा in one corner. Alaska, Australia, beautiful. And then New Zealand is here. Indonesia we've been. Thailand we've been. But Laos, Vietnam is there somewhere we can go. Mongolia. I'm very interested to travel to Africa actually, inshallah. 2025. Faju, where will you go, Mama? Where are you going? You're sitting here, Mamu. You're sitting here, okay? And you have long way to go. Long way. He's like my घर पे ठीक हो. Beautiful. And you know what the best part about this spot in the house is? That it's exactly in front of the mirror. तो अभी ये mirror selfies और ज़्यादा elevate हो जाएगी.
20 minutes later.
मैं आज का vlog डालने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. चिप्स से चीट कर रही हूँ और देखो कौन आया है. टपक पड़े साल के एंड में लास्ट दिन पे. और अभी हम घर पे बता रहे क्या क्या अजीब अजीब चीजें कर रहे हैं किचन में। मैंने ये सब इंस्टामार्ट पे मंगाई हूँ क्योंकि आज हम बेकिंग करने वाले। शिवेश ने ये बुक भेजा है मुझे। दिस इज हिज न्यू बुक चॉकलेट एंड he's personally sent it, so sweet. He's written, love everything you do, hope you enjoy the desserts with your cup of coffee. Since I don't eat a lot of dessert today, we thought we'll bake from this and all मैं stevia यूज करूंगी and इसलिए मैंने जवार फ्लावर मंगाई हूँ ग्लूटेन फ्री। उसके ऊपर मैं चिप्स खा रही हूँ और फिर बहुत सारी डार्क चॉकलेट भी मंगाई हूँ मैंने। और रीत तो शाक्षुका बना रहे रात को। ये ब्रेकफास्ट डिश है रीत।
I know.
Okay, no. I'll put on more light for you.
अरे यार ये what is wrong with this knife?
That knife ka starting portion is sharp. You're using the mid section. Why don't you use this knife? Use this one. Huh? Chef Jakharia has made shakshuka that we are going to enjoy under the Christmas tree. The last of the Christmas tree.
Better. Tar.
Thank you.
Nice tea. Come.
It's good.
ये कौन सा vegan है भाई तुम्हारा?
Vegan है.
अंडा तो पर
नमक कम है vegan. Who's come? Running. Who's come? Food is come. घंटी बजते के साथ दरवाजे पे. Ishu, you don't want num. Go to sleep. Happy New Year, Ishu. Push. Pull, give me my Kishi. Happy New Year, Kishi. Say, tell Sarah Squad Happy New Year. Which year? Okay, which year is starting tomorrow? 2025. Okay, go to sleep. Good night, Ishu. We'll meet in the next year. Now you'll sleep and we'll meet in the next year. Okay? It is 11:11. अरे it is 11:11. क्या timing पे देखा? It is 11:11. लास्ट 11 भी दिख गया। वाह, हम नया प्रोडक्ट सैम्पलिंग कर रहे हैं इम्पल्स का जो आपको नहीं दिखा सकते। हमने मस्त हाईवे से तंदूरी चिकन मंगाया है एंड हम तंदूरी चिकन बटर चिकन डिनर घर पे कर रहे हैं। सबरीना ईशान को सुला रही है।
A few moments later.
हेलो आधा घंटा बचा है। हुआ नहीं है। किधर हल्दी? हुआ? बचा?
You are enjoying tandoori chicken?
Yes.
कहाँ से मंगाए? Skyway से? अच्छी
क्या
है।
खाए तुम लोग?
Happy New Year।
Skyway तो everything।
Skyway Zomato से आया क्यों?
नहीं,
Skyway वाले
उसने
ने
call
मंगाया?
किया।
अच्छा तू फोन करके मंगाया?
इसने Skyway सजेस्ट किया तो मैं बोली ठीक है।
A few moments later.
Yes, New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! मम्मी 2025 में हाँ? क्या है पप्पा?
मेरा तो ऑलरेडी हो गया
मम्मी 100 के करो।
Yes, mom made it should be Bob made it.
तुम्हारा रोमिंग ट्रिक्स है?
देखते हैं।
ऐसा नहीं माइंडसेट।
रोमिंग का जॉगिंग ट्रैक का जॉगिंग हो जाए। हैप्पी न्यू ईयर।
इंस्टाग्राम पे मेरे को 500 की होना चाहिए इंशाल्लाह और यूट्यूब पर 2 मिलियन। Yes.
Instagram पे मिल।
What is your New Year resolution coming to India?
इंशाल्लाह।
Happy New Year Ashwin।
Happy New Year. What is your resolution? To have bath and cover. हाँ।
मम्मी का एक सीक्वेंस बना क्या नाची।
अच्छा होगा तुमने मेरा निकाले ना अभी तुम जीतेगी।
Sabbu's not supporting me, no.
सबरीना ढंग से खेल।
सबरीना।
रीत और मेरा एक सीक्वेंस हो गया है,
सबू।
तहा और मम्मी का एक सीक्वेंस हो गया है, तुम दोनों का एक सीक्वेंस बचा है।
लेने का बहुत जरूरी है। ये देखो ये भी गया।
आई नो लेंगे नए साल में नया टीपॉय लेंगे मम्मी। तुम गिफ्ट करोगी?
नहीं
ऐसा बोला हाँ मम्मी एकदम पॉजिटिव बोला हाँ ऐसा तुम एकदम अमीर माइंड सेट
को
रखो।
भेजूंगी इसको।
वो तो मेरा आने ही वाला है चिपकाने को। और क्या है?
चलो तू खेल।
चल सारा खेल।
अरे ब्लॉक कर दिया पापा।
Yo bro।
सीक्वेंस
चलो वेट हमारा भी वेट अभी दो
हम लोग जीत गए ना
अभी
क्या हम लोग का हो गया दो
नहीं सो
किधर डाली क्या बनाई
सेकंड में ना
अरे मतलब
सेकंड विनर बाकी है ना.
चलो
अच्छा ऐसा है।
क्या उठ के नाची मेरी माँ
खेल रहे
किधर है
मत
से?
खेलो.
अपन जीत गए फर्स्ट जीत गए अपन
अरे जो बाकी है उसको इधर डालो जो पत्ते थे तुम्हारे पास.
Second winner.
New Year's Day to win the game is like
the way she was pushing ki Sabrina, I knew it.
Yeah, even I knew she had a jack or
मत
something.
करो आंटी
मेरे पास एक भी jack नहीं है।
हटा देंगे
मेरे पास भी एक भी जैक नहीं आया
देखा
ब्रो.
ना, ऐसा जो बनता है वो भी देखने का.
I feel like
so much with auntie.
does this mean I will have bad luck but good hard work this year? I don't want to work hard another year. I want some good luck also, bro. मेरे को एक भी जैक नहीं आया.
ये मेरा गुड लक था।
अपने को मेरे को एक आया आपको एक आया
Day 2.
Happy New Year! It is 2025 and I feel exactly like the same person that I slept as. I feel like the same person I was in 2024. Honestly, what changes at New Year? I have never understood the hype of New Year. एक साल मैं पेरिस गई थी खाली New Year मनाने because I wanted to see what the hype was about and I did not enjoy it that much because it was so crowded. It's the same like Mumbai. Everywhere on New Year's Eve, no matter where you are in the world, it's crowded. A lot of people on the road, a lot of people are drunk and it's just not a vibe. And I am a peaceful person. I like to be at home with my family, with my loved ones, and that's what we did last night. It was amazing. Like the best way to bring in the year. You pray, you meditate, you do your thing, whatever makes you happy, okay? If partying makes you happy, great. But I'm not that person. I enjoyed my New Year's Eve and I do not feel like आज सुबह मैं literally उठी और मैं बाहर गई सोफे पे बैठ के मैं दुआ मांग रही थी and I was just looking out and I was like, what has changed? What has changed? And I was like, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. So that's the thing about New Year, you know, even though it's the new year, same people, same Sarah, same YouTube channel, same favorite. Like I'm still using my Marshmallow Melt body lotion, which I was using in New York. This body lotion literally went viral. And now they even have a plum body loving Marshmallow Melt body butter. They actually have a sale going on right now. So you can get this absolutely free and it's a limited edition product. This one smells so good. It literally is like a marshmallow in a bottle and use. I'm so reminded of my New York trip when I put this body lotion on. The body butter of course has like a thicker consistency, but it's a limited edition product and you can get this free if you add 3 of your Plum products to cart. And you know I love their niacinamide range from their skincare edition and I'm obsessed with their vanilla caramello range. Like the vanilla caramello body lotion also lives rent free on my vanity all the time. The niacinamide range, the vanilla caramello range are up to 40% off and on individual products also you're getting up to 25% off right now. You know my love for Plum's niacinamide serum जब 2 साल पहले लॉन्च हुआ था तब से मुझे पसंद है और आज भी मेरे स्किन केयर recommendations and best of skin at the end of the year में मैं हमेशा उसको recommend करती हूँ. And now it comes in a bigger 50 ml bottle with a pump. Texture is great. It's great for pigmentation and definitely if you have acne prone skin type या आपने कभी भी actives नहीं use किया अपनी skin पे, you should give this a shot because it's very beginner friendly. Plum is that brand that's backed with science and I've been obsessed with Korean skincare lately. Like second half of 2024 is definitely the time when Sarah got into her Korean skincare era and you know how big snail mucin is in Korean skincare. So Plum has launched a vegan version of it. This is their vegan mucin essence and it has cica and higher betaine and it's for hydrating and revitalizing your skin. I'm going to try this for the first time. It says it has azuki bean extracts and ATP. So the whole catch with snail mucin is that it makes your skin very hydrated. That's precisely what this product also claims to do. Trying it out for the first time, the texture looks very similar. I want to do the silky texture test and definitely performs on the texture test. This one is rich in peptides and Plum's Lit Lab sale is on right now. तो आपको ये सारे products पे बहुत amazing deals मिलेंगी. आप definitely description box check करो. You will get all the information on their sale, on all the offers that are running. If skincare has not been a priority for you before, you definitely want to make it a priority in 2025. And no better way to start the year than with a good discount purchase. I love how my skin looks after this. Like, look at that. The niacinamide and the azuki bean. Oh my god, look at that bounce. Guys, look at that bounce my skin just got with this product. I'm actually super impressed with this. ये तो पहले से favorite था, ये अभी नया try किया है, but I'm obsessed. Also because Plum Goodness loves the Sarah Squad, you get an additional 10% off and an extra Plum surprise in your cart if you use my discount code. So don't forget to shop on the Plum website, use my discount code and avail all the amazing deals. Now let's get started with Hustle with Sarah 2025. o'clock. I'm done with work and finally going out. I'm meeting Roshni tonight, my friend. She's come from UK, so I'm going to meet her 1st Jan. Let's go out for dinner. Chotu sa bag, water bottle. I'm feeling very dehydrated today. Let's go get stuck in traffic. 1st of Jan ko I hope. Faju, Mama BRB, okay? Take care of the house. I love you. मैडम हैज कम फ्रॉम यूके, तो इसको ये वाला विंटर डेकोरेशन इतना अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, बट फॉर मुंबई स्टैंडर्ड्स इट इज सो नाइस, इट इज सो फैंसी. आई कैन नॉट. मैं आई नहीं थी इधर अभी तक, तो हम घर पे ही बैठे. लुक एट द सांता क्लॉज, सो क्यूट. So nice. The skin has gotten better staying in UK. Even I should shift to UK.
It's all the water.
You're not finding this amusing, no? Because you come from the land of Christmas. Look at how well they've done it for you, so that you don't think of UK Christmas lights.
I really wanted to.
Very nice.
The Wonderland. Oh my God.
You dropped your earring. Yeah.
Wanted to see Winter Wonderland, but
In UK you've been no before.
yeah, but like this was amusing because they've actually.
अच्छा ये वाला Winter Wonderland, Jio Mall का.
Yes.
अच्छा. Yeah, we wanted to get Ishan. He did come for the Hamleys. What is that
He
called?
was also there last year.
Yeah. I love this song, you know.
A3.
12. Come on. 13. Chest up, chest up, chest up. Keep going, Sarah. 18. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 19. Give me one more. That's it.
A few moments later.
Okay, so best discovery of 2025 for me has to be a namaz dress. I did not even know something like this existed, but I'm wearing a shirt pant नीचे, and usually ना मैं इतनी लंबी हूँ तो कोई भी trouser मेरे को ankles भी नहीं cover करता है. And if you don't know, during namaz you are supposed to cover your ankles, you're supposed to cover your hands completely. And मुझे हमेशा बहुत दिक्कत होती थी कि काम के बीच में if I have to pray namaz, then I have to change my outfit again and again. And most of my izar, that's my trousers or whatever, does not cover my ankle because of my height. So I have to custom get things made. But now I discovered this on Amazon. All you have to do is just like throw on this dress and it goes below my ankles. Like no fashion or anything, just practicality. Because while praying namaz, who thinks about fashion? You just have to cover everything. It's a nice maxi gown situation जो पूरा ankles तक आपको cover कर देता है. It also comes with a headscarf. So headscarf is there. Currently I have full setup for my YouTube video. But मेरा New Year resolution है कि मैं पूरी कोशिश करूँगी कि at least दिन में एक टाइम की नमाज I can remove. So mostly I'm aiming for Zohar so that I can finish Zohar namaz and then I can get to work. And once I put makeup on, it always like if I put makeup on then पूरा दिन चला जाता है और फिर सारे नमाज के timings मेरे miss हो जाते हैं. Let's try to work on our spirituality also this year. अभी workout पे काम करने लगी हूँ last year से ही, and spirituality पे I do work, like I pray my Quran and all here and there, but नमाज मुझसे नहीं हो पाती है regularly. 5 वक्त तो नहीं तो at least 1 वक्त से ही कहीं ना कहीं तो शुरू करना है. So I am starting with this, and this dress is my favorite item in my wardrobe now. Once you put on the headscarf, everything is covered. Your ears, your hair, your hands, your leg, and you don't have to change clothes. You just put this on, pray your namaz, take this off, get to work and do it again. How convenient. I love this fit. This is what my lunch is looking like. There's वाल की सब्जी, तेंदली की सब्जी जो मैंने खड़े खड़े खा ली थी, भूख लगी थी मेरे को. 2 मच्छी फ्राई, 2 चिकन कबाब, चिकन सूप and salad. It's balanced. On my task list today, I have a lot of interviews lined up at 5. So I have to keep an alarm for 5 o'clock so that I'm not overshooting. It's 3 right now. So keep an alarm for 5. I have to shoot 1 reel, 1 YouTube video, give that to edit, upload a YouTube video. Today is Thursday, is the 2nd of January. So 1 reel shoot, 1 YT shoot. Then 5 PM I have a call today. I didn't have nails and neither did I have time to get nails, so I just ordered this on Blinkit. This is a press-on nail packet in the shade Merlot. Honestly, they're the best press-ons I've ever gotten because it's so good. Like इतना अच्छे से apply हो रहा है on my skin, on my nails. मतलब the nail का size, the nail bed का size is matching perfectly. Like I've never found such great nail bed sizes. Putting the glue. ये बहुत temporary होता है, खाली shoot तक ही last करेगा. And maybe कल मुझे शादी में जाना है, so it might last for that. I love the color. I was going to do something like this only, very dark, before after.
346 minutes later.
I'm already very tired. I'm gonna get my period in like 3 days, and today I woke up feeling so bloated, very tired already. Like utte ke saath thakan ho rahi thi. But because it's 2nd Jan, there's so much to do, and I'm trying to get a lot of shoots done. Like this is a new practice for me that I want to try and shoot more content, sit down content, beauty content, all that. I keep always telling myself कि मैं करूँगी, but I never do it. So in this year, I've like trying to push myself कि करना है, करना है, करना है. So there are 2-3 things that you see that I'm pushing myself for press, for work and sit down videos, and for workout. Like you can make excuses for all these things, but then you won't see results. Like if you don't work out, you're not gonna see results. If you don't film videos, there won't be any videos to post, you won't see results. Anyway, now there's beautiful light coming in the studio जैसे आप देख सकते हैं, and I'm sitting with my US haul, which you must have also seen by now, वो चला गया है live channel पे. This is part 2. I've done a part 1 and a part 2, and there's this beautiful smoky eye look which I've done for YouTube Shorts. So everything should be up on my YouTube, Instagram, everywhere to watch. And I'm having my black Masti Bhari strawberry. This is the alarm for my meeting, which I have now postponed to 6:30. We're good to go. Should I wear gloss? Okay, अच्छा लग रहा है matte. Okay, let's film. It's 6 o'clock and I'm so tired. I've been talking for like 2 hours non-stop. Haul videos banana is so hectic. I don't know how people speak less in haul videos or speak less in general. I can't relate.
Day 4.
Ishan, you are still in night suit. We have to go for shadi.
Say this is not night suit. This is called cord set. Tell my.
What it's called? See? Fajay is so happy that you've come. चलो मेरे को सोना दो.
तो लो.
मेरे को शादी में जाने का शादी. ईशान, don't drop coffee near my this. Even I'm tying bun. Yes, something will be matching.
My back is totally open.
So हवा आएगी. Ventilation.
सत्यम, इसको इस्त्री कर.
आप आ गए टाइम पे? सत्या, मेरे को लगा तू तो आएगा ही नहीं शरण के जाने तक. तुम लोग एक्चुअली तैयार, तुम बोले 7 बजे निकलने.
7 नहीं 8 बजे 8:30 बजे.
8 नहीं, मम्मी ने 8:30 कर दी.
तो तुम लोग मेरे को इन्फॉर्म नहीं करते. मेरी सारी मीटिंग्स दिन की मैं मम्मी के खौफ में मालूम है सब प्लानिंग. मैं तो
रखती नहीं है किसी का.
प्लीज.
और ऐसे तो बिल्कुल.
आज पता है कितना क्लियर था, स्मॉग भी कम था और सनसेट भी. यस, शो मी दिस. तो आई नो. ओके, रिंग में क्या लाए हो?
रिंग में कुछ भी नहीं, खाली एक चोकर और वो लाए हो मैंने. रिंग तो बना
क्या पापा?
मम्मी ने बोली नहीं मेरे को, कुछ बोली ये लाने के लिए.
ये लाए, ये तो बहुत पुराना है. वो दूसरा नया वाला मम्मी के पास चोकर नहीं है.
ये चाहिए तुझे, ये वाला.
कौन सा? नहीं, ये बहुत ऐसा वेस्टर्न लुक दे रहा है. आई एम गोइंग फॉर ट्रेडिशनल. आई एम गोइंग फॉर आई हैव
My main set also, if you wish to wear. Give me your Swarovski. If you want to wear that big set of.
शो विच द शादी वाला.
हाँ.
वो नहीं जाएगा मेरे इसके साथ.
क्यों नहीं जाएगा?
It's
That's
ve-
proper traditional.
It's shiny. This is the vintage gold. Okay, Sharon, see this set. This will go, na?
Yeah.
This and this.
Yeah.
Tell her to bring in the gadi, that ring wala.
Okay.
Can she V-fast it?
Why you
You
want
want my
to?
fatka?
No,
I
but
can even get it if you want for dressing.
And-
A few moments later.
I'm shadi ready. It is my brother's walima, my second cousin's walima, and this is the outfit I've chosen to wear. Black sari. This I had got on Myntra kuch time pehle. You all know before Diwali I did this Myntra haul, and this sari has not seen the light of day. आज भी light of day नहीं दिखेगा, but बाहर मैंने नहीं पहना अभी तक basically. And I love wearing saris now. Saris are my new classic favorites to wear. They just look so royal, and I love carrying them. I've become a sari girl through and through in 2024, and we are carrying it forward in 2025. I'm wearing mummy's necklace. Shadi is the only time when you wear your jewelry, the real jewelry. So it's the one chance to wear your jewels. Sabrina's calling me.
12 seconds later.
I have a New Year resolution. Okay. That I am not going to shop in 2025.
Oh, then if we travel, oh shit. So you just give me all the this dollars or whatever you want to give me currency, and I'll shop in your place.
I knew she would be the saddest. I knew she will be. So I wanted to tell you this extended resolution will last for you also, because if I don't shop, you're
You're
not
also
allowed
No,
to
no,
shop.
you
Yes.
travel frequently. I don't travel. I just travel once a year. So if I travel, I will shop.
then we can go to Canada.
Okay, Canada.
कनाडा ने केरला बोला. केरला तुम बड़े महंगे हो गए हो. वो छोटे छोटे ख्वाब रख रहा है, उतने उसकी साइज के ख्वाब रख रहा है वो. वेरी गुड ईशान. मम्मी
उसकी फ्रेंड गई ना,
उसकी बेस्ट गर्लफ्रेंड का ही है केरला.
गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं, खाली फ्रेंड. अभी से स्टार्ट मत करा सबरीना. माइंड योर वर्ड्स.
You know, mommy, so we have to be very kifayati in 2025.
You've taken a house. I took a house. I paid the loans. Did I put it on you to pay my loans?
No, but you sunawed me every time
That's
when you were
sunawing
paying
now.
loan.
You are also sunawing me loans.
Yeah, so now I will also sunaw you when I am paying home loan.
Yeah, please
कि मम्मी
सुनाओ.
पैसा नहीं तो शॉपिंग नहीं करना. मम्मी
हाँ,
पैसा
ठीक
नहीं तो शॉपिंग नहीं करना.
मेरा फोटो रख सामने और उसको सुनाते ही जाना. बस.
See, पापा और रीत तो जो हंसे जोर जोर से जब मैं बोली कि
Can she resist without shopping?
Yeah.
Is it possible? No. Then how can her resolution be this?
it will be, guys. It will resist. At least 6 महीना I will try. 6.
साल से 6 महीने पे आई है, कल 3 महीने पे आएगी,
फिर happy
फिर
birthday
1 महीने पे आएगी, फिर 29 को बर्थडे है.
फिर 20 दिन में बोलेगी मेरा बर्थडे है. I am bound to. I deserve this.
Yes.
उसका एक डायलॉग. I wanted this.
And this I wanted since so long.
तुम लोग इतने खराब ना. उस्मान अंकल सबको गिरा दो, अपन अकेले ही जाते हैं. या मेरे को गिरा दो, मैं वापस जा रही हूँ. वैसे मेरे को जाने का नहीं है. आज सब अभी शादी में सब वही पूछेंगे, तू कभी शादी कर रही है, तू कभी शादी कर रही है. यही
Ishan, there is
पूछने
a
में मेरे को
banana in the
पसंद.
bag. Eat a banana at least, Ishan.
मेरे को ये सब क्यों नहीं बोल रही. मेरे को भूख लगी. मम्मी 9:30 हो गया है यार. एक टाइम होता है शादी में जाने का. मेरे को कितनी भूख लग रही है.
अपन गुस्ते के साथ खाना खाने बैठ जाएंगे, बाद में अंदर जाके सबसे मिल के स्टेज पे जाएंगे. सबको भूख लगी है.
6.5 hours later.
It's Saturday night and PMS has hit me like a wave. आज पूरा दिन I was good for nothing. I was feeling very blah. I mean, I did a little bit of work but not enough and just like lazed around all day. बहुत ही ऐसा blah वाला feeling आ रहा है. I'm not feeling very happy and I feel like I'm gonna crave a lot of sweet once I get my period. So finally, जो New Year's पे भी निकाला था, Shivesh's new chocolate book is here and I'm not much of a baker. मैं kitchen में आती सिर्फ coffee बनाने के लिए हूँ and to take my supplements. But this has inspired me. I keep this on top of my fridge and it has inspired me to try something. Now most of his recipes do need an oven. I don't have an OTG, I don't have an oven, but this recipe I found जो उसने book के cover पे पकड़ के रखा है, this crepe cake and it's basically like a lot of pancake, lot of crepes together and उसके लिए you need a non-stick pan और वो मेरे पास है because I can make eggs so I can make pancakes and I want to make it healthy since I'm on a sort of a keto diet, almost a keto diet is what I follow. So I have ordered this low carb delight from Low. This is a keto baking flour. ये मंगाया है और ऐसा साथ में मैंने उधर से एक साउथ इंडियन मिक्सचर भी मंगाया just for चखना, like if I feel like snacking. I have a lot of dark chocolate and stevia. Instead of sugar, we'll use stevia. Let's try this recipe. Okay, so you need a non-stick pan and you need a large bowl. Okay, large mixing bowl. He says whisk flour and cocoa powder and you need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. All-purpose flour के बदले I'm going to take this baking flour. This is basically made of wheat, defatted peanut flour, isolated wheat protein, seed mix, soy protein isolate and coconut flour. First you need, I think this much flour is enough. I'm just gonna eyeball 2 cups of flour. I have this cocoa powder from Trader Joe's जो मैं US से लेके आई थी. Half a cup of cocoa powder. I don't have measuring cups तो मैं एक कटोरी में ही सब measure कर रही हूँ उसके हिसाब से. Half cup cocoa powder. I'm baking for the first time but I'm still eyeballing it. That's what expert chefs do, right? Then you're supposed to mix sugar and salt. बोला नहीं है, half cup sugar and no, quarter spoon sugar and quarter teaspoon salt. नमक है. This is 1. ये नमक है कि शक्कर है सत्यम? Okay. 1 का quarter. Okay, that should be good. I have this stevia. इसका I will use एक पूरा पैकेट स्टीविया. I don't even have a whisk, I think. Wow, so amateur level. I have this Chotu whisk from my frother. This is what my dry mix is looking like. Flour, cocoa powder, sugar and salt. मैंने 2 पैकेट स्टीविया डाला. I think it should be good. Amazing, we have it, guys. These are my dry ingredients. kept aside. Abhi next I have to, in a separate bowl, whisk together the eggs, milk, water, melted butter, vanilla extract. Okay, quantities are on the side. अभी एक और सेम साइज की कटोरी नहीं है मेरे पास, पहले नहीं बोला उसने. अपने पास ऐसा बड़ा एक और है क्या सत्यम? नहीं है. फज्जू, we don't have katori. How will we mix the eggs? Where will we mix the eggs? What is my mama making? Mama is making cake. You want cake? You want cake? He's like cake. Cake. I have not yet made. Wait. सबर का फल मीठा होगा hopefully. सत्यम, आप मेरी मदद करेंगे? आप फैल के बैठे हैं. प्लीज ये वाटी निकाल के दीजिए. एट द बेस है. मैं जिम जाके आई हूँ. यस. सुनिए, सबसे बड़ा उसमें होगा क्या? वो हरा वाला भी दे. इसको पता नहीं कितनी कटोरियाँ चाहिए आगे. How many eggs do I need? 4 eggs, 2 cups milk, 4 अंडे. 4 ही बचे यार, कल सुबह के लिए है क्या? 4 अंडे और 2 कप दूध कहाँ है? चलो सत्यम, become my sous chef. Yes, Fudge, we are putting egg. Why already barking? Mama has not started. He thinks cake बोला तो it's not ready, Fudju. What are you barking? Wait, I have to put 4 eggs. सत्यम, बटर लगेगा. बटर दे. और वो वेनिला सॉस भी दे. वेनिला एक्सट्रैक्ट. एग्स. माय चोटी इज कमिंग. Usually you make like pancakes in the morning, so I don't know why I'm making them now, but it's fine. I'm craving sugar. How much butter? I don't know what I'm doing wrong right now. Is my bowl too small? But इतना सारा दूध है कि I'm not able to whisk properly to like froth it. And this is my melted butter. So I have to pour this also inside. Need my mother over here.
Few minutes later.
Shivesh has mentioned at the top that this recipe takes a lot of time. It's like cardio and I've already done my workout today. But फिर भी मैंने 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 डोसे बनाए हैं. ऐसा ब्यूटीफुल तो नहीं बनेगा, but something बनेगा. It doesn't look like this because इतना patience तो नहीं है और ना ही हमारे crepes इतने even है. This is like almost 100 I think. Dude, that looks good. It's too sweet. Ganache is very sweet. Ganache में हमने Bonville and dark chocolate डाला है and cream. The ganache is so much that it's very sweet. It's nice consistency wise, but it's too sweet for me. Good otherwise.
6.5 hours later.
Alright guys, I am going to end this vlog right here. सच्ची बताओ तो मेरे को बिल्कुल भी ऐसा vibes नहीं आ रहे नए साल के. I'm feeling so lethargic, so lazy, so I don't know, not even lazy I would say. I've been working ever since the year started. 1st Jan से मैंने जो काम शुरू किया वो Wednesday था. आज Monday को I got my period. It's my 2nd day, so I've just been so much in pain that I don't feel like doing anything. I had meetings which I finished in the morning and then after that I've just been in bed. I had to shoot and stuff, but money नहीं किया यार. पता नहीं, मतलब I'm not feeling the new year, new me, new beginnings. मैंने नाखून भी नहीं करा है. I don't have any trip planned. Life is not that exciting. I actually have a lot of responsibilities heading into 2025 and it's kind of dooming on me. Like लोन भरना है ये सब, मतलब अभी मार्च आ जाएगा, accounts का time है. I don't know, it's like hitting me that I've really grown up, and even though it's my birthday month, it's not that exciting. That young Sara ka enthusiasm, and I'm trying to vlog but I'm not able to translate that positive energy to y'all जैसा मैं usually vlog में दे पाती हूँ, which is why I'm not picking up the camera and vlogging. You'll see me do like work and then do like bake a cake and randomly do things to try and make myself happy, but I'm just fooling myself right now. I'm not feeling the 2025 energy. I don't know who's with me here कि ऐसा लग नहीं रहा कि कुछ नया हुआ है, you know, ऐसा लग रहा है नया महीना start हुआ. And I feel like social media can overwhelm you, and I can also definitely contribute to that by making you feel like, oh, she has so much work, or oh, she's working towards her goals. For me, I have to work. Like this is my job. This is just my को उठ के काम करना है. But at the same time, something like a vlog or something I'm not able to do because vlogs are infectious. My vlogs are my true energy translating, and I don't feel like I'm feeling that energetic or my true happy self to translate that to you. This entire week I've felt that ever since the new year has started. I think it'll just pick up. I don't know. I don't have any birthday plans. I don't have any travel planned. I don't have anything. I I literally have only one goal this year कि मुझे लोन भरने की पूरी कोशिश करनी है, and because of that goal being so heavy on my shoulders, I feel like इतनी responsibility है मुझ पे. Even when I went for my brother's wedding this week, I just saw like all my family, like my extended family after so long, और मुझे realize हो रहा है कि सब कितने ज्यादा बड़े हो गए. Like मैं 26 साल की हो जाने वाली हूँ. Like all my चाचा चाची, everybody, like all my extended family have become so old. Like Dadi is not there anymore. Like you know, everybody is becoming old and time is passing too fast, and now we are the adults. I think मुझे suddenly ये सब hit हो रहा है कि हम बहुत ज्यादा बड़े हो गए और बहुत ज्यादा responsibility. Like what the hell? Like you know, so it's constantly hitting me, which is why I'm not able to just be my stupid, frivolous self. My normal झल्ली self, I would say, like you know, कि online कुछ देख लिया, मंगा लिया, कुछ देखा, ट्रिप बुक कर लिया, वो सब हरकतें मैं कर नहीं रही हूँ अभी तक, because I'm like, bro, you need to see what your accounts look like in March and then decide. Like I can't just make random rash financial decisions, you know what I mean? Like I have to grow up, and I think that realization is just hitting me a lot ever since the year has started. So I've just been working and doing my thing, and today I didn't feel like doing anything. मैं सब मतलब कपड़े उतार के I was just in the bedroom and I took a half day from work. I finished my meetings in the morning, and then I told the team that I'm not feeling well, I'm sorry, and they finished their work and they went back home, and that's that. आज बस यही हुआ है. आज Monday था. We'll try again tomorrow. I'm sorry that this vlog is ending on such a blah note and the new year has started like that, but I think that's what my vlogs have to be real. I can't tell you all कि wow amazing, I'm feeling the hustle energy, let's do this, blah 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 blah. मुझे नहीं hustle with Sara की energy feel हो रही. Like Sara is hustling but she's not feeling like hustling. I think that's the right way to put it. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog nonetheless. I'm keeping it real. I am battling my PCOS, and that is also something that I am really focused on this year. कि हाँ भाई, I have to lose more weight. I have to realize कि with age it's going to become more and more difficult to lose weight. So I have to take responsibility of my health and what I eat. So I'm eating clean and working out wherever possible. आज शाम को भी yoga है, so I'm gonna like just try to show up. Every day this week I worked out, but every day I felt lazy to go, but I went nonetheless because just showing up is important. एक बार वर्कआउट के लिए चले गए, उसके बाद the workout just starts flowing अपने आप, and then after the workout you always feel better. So that's the one activity I'm trying to tell myself कि हाँ ठीक है, बस चले जाओ, फिर उसके बाद देखते हैं क्या होगा. And एक बार चले गए जिम या चले गए सेशन के लिए, then it always makes you feel better. So that's kind of the approach I am going for right now, that I'm just taking it one day at a time. And I've realized in the hardest of my days, when I'm mentally feeling low or blah or my energy is down, I've always picked myself up by saying one day at a time. And yeah, I think that's the attitude to just go with and enter the year with. I don't know, are you all feeling the same way? आप लोगों को भी ऐसा लग रहा है कि ऐसा कुछ नया नहीं हुआ है, you know, ऐसा कुछ welcome change नहीं आया है in life. Alright, I'm gonna end on this note. I'm so sorry it's such a blah ending and I'm not able to be that source of inspiration or motivation, but हमेशा नहीं कर सकती यार, मैं भी इंसान हूँ. I hope you all enjoyed the video nonetheless. जो भी अच्छे New Year's पे चीजें हुई वो सब से आपको मजा आया हो. I hope you like this video. Don't forget a big thumbs up. Plum की सेल चालू है जब आप ये वीडियो देख रहे हो, तो don't forget to check it out. उसका डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में सारे डिटेल्स आपको मिल जाएंगे. For these videos, Saraswat shout out goes to Ashni Mani. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be a part of next year's Saraswat shout out, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, bell icon right next to it, and also comment down below saying #SarahSquad and shout out for my next video, Sarah Squad Short. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.